Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, YouTube viewers, from the Smoky Mountains. My voice has not come back completely, but here we are in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and I am looking forward to some awesome Christmas stuff, okay? So, the bike, well, it's still a little frozen. It is bitterly cold here in Pigeon Forge, but no snow, no precipitation on the way, so let me bundle up, and then we're going to figure out the trolley system across the street here. I'm staying at the KOA here in Pigeon Forge, and I'm going to find a way to make this all happen. So come along with me. We'll have Christmas together, guys. All right, I'm comfortable now. Right next door to the KOA is Liberty Park over here. We're going to cut through the park. There we go, Sweet Mama's Cafe and Patriot Park. Also at night, they've got this park all lit up with the bridge and the waves. They got a Statue of Liberty and a big Liberty Bell replica that's all lit up for Christmas. So it's really pretty from just looking at it from the park. And this is the public transportation system of Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. The Fun Time Trolleys. We're gonna take a trolley around this morning. Very neat designs on the side of the bus with all the bears trying to get to Pigeon Forge. Yep. Dollywood doesn't open till 2 p.m. here this week of Christmas, so I'm going to get on a different route first and go find some breakfast. Pretty reasonable prices here too. It's $1 per trip, or you can get a $3 all-day bracelet that's good for unlimited rides anywhere in Pigeon Forge. And the reason why I did the $3 unlimited one is because I'm going to go get some breakfast before Dollywood, so I'm taking 2 different trolleys 2 different times, so 4 trips. So the unlimited bracelet is kind of a good deal. I ordered my pancakes. A little different. There it is, the Reese's peanut butter pancakes. I always put peanut butter on my pancakes anyway, so I'm probably gonna like this. You on the other hand, you might not like it. Oh, my stomach's full. My head hurts a little bit, but in a good way. Hey, that was a world-class peanut butter pancake right there. I didn't even have to ask for more peanut butter. That sucker was loaded. Now I'm gonna be wired all day. Awesome. Trolley system works really well here in Pigeon Forge. I got off a few blocks before I got back to the transit center. Are you kidding me? It's gorgeous here. It's the old Mill restaurant with the water wheel going over there and the little waterfall here. Gosh, really? Beautiful. Wait, I think we can actually go down here. That's cool. Let's go look at the water. It's very rooty down here. Pretty close to it. Merry Christmas, everyone. What a view. I'm having a good Christmas. How about you? They're doing live ironworks in here. How cool is that? Everything around here. I love Pigeon Forge. And just like that, here we are at Dollywood. This is Dolly Parton's theme park. A lot of adults. I mean, actually, I haven't seen any kids yet. Something a little different than Disney, right? All right, let's get in there. All right, here we are. We're in the park. Dollywood, everybody. On a beautiful sunny day here in Tennessee. No snow, a little chilly. High of, I think, 41 and a low of 22 tonight once it gets dark. Tickets are incredibly reasonable here. A 3-day ticket is less than 1 day at Disney World. So, oh man, tasty treats. There's the Dollywood Butterfly Rice Krispie. Oh, jeez. Hey, nice job, Dolly. Nice park. And if you're a fan of no lines, you also may like the small crowds here. Chevy Bel Air there, and Chasing Rainbows, the Dolly Parton story. And there's Dolly up there. She's actually here at the park every season to light the tree, get everything started up. Oh, they're playing 'Twas the Night Before Christmas in the theater here. We got Red's Drive-In over there. Oh, and the reindeer. Lots of Christmas everywhere. Look at that ginormous Christmas tree in Dollywood. I'm gonna vlog because I'm by myself and it makes me feel better to talk to you guys so that I'm sharing Christmas with somebody else. Is that cool? All right, come along. The Christmas event is a little different than a normal day at Dollywood, you know, because the park opens later. It's more meant for night when the Christmas lights are up. So it's only about 2:30 now. But there are some rides open. There are. Your kids and grandkids, they are definitely welcome here, but like I said, it's kind of more of a adult themed, even though there's rides and stuff. You guys act like I'm gonna feed you. Oh, you can feed them. I don't have a quarter, guys. Sorry. I just love the theming. It's very westerny looking everywhere. I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight, but pizza soup. It's pizza like you've never experienced it before thanks to this hearty pizza soup served piping hot. Pizza in a bowl. We'll come back to that one. Here's where you're waiting for the train. There's some train info. Uh-oh, we got cows on the track. Huh. Oh, dogs and taters, Dolly. You're the best. But I want to save most of the town square for tonight when there's Christmas lights, so maybe we should check out some rides first. A little train depot here. They actually have a steam train, the Dollywood Express, that takes off from right here and goes around the park area. There's the water tower for the steam. Train ride was fun, but I kind of have a headache from the coal smoke and everything that took me right back. Felt like we went right back to the old west there. And you know, they let me bring the camera and film some stuff on there, which is the least I can say for other rides. Like even the carousel here, no cameras, no cell phones. All the coasters, I already talked to them. They won't even let me have the GoPro chest mount like you can in every other theme park in the world. No cameras of any kind on any of the rides. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting that. It kind of threw me off. I'm like, how am I gonna share any of the rides? I'm not gonna share any rides with you because that's Dollywood's rule. A little unique, a little different, but every theme park is different in the country. I'm just gonna have to show you some other stuff. Peek at some magnet ideas here in the train depot. That's kind of cool. There are rides for all ages here, operating in the winter on Christmas, just so you know, and they're not even that busy. Huh. This one though, I definitely would not ride. This is not my style. This just upsets my stomach, like Tower of Terror at Disney. Oh yeah. Oh jeez, why? Why? That tree is gonna light up and do something special tonight. We'll be back when it gets dark. I do have a little portable battery charger with me to charge my cell phone and stuff, but these Fuel Rod Company, you heard of this one? You can buy these in parks, including Disney, but you don't actually have to buy these ones. You can buy them online, get your first one, and then you can swap it at these parks for the one you get cheaper online. Another way to charge a cell phone in case you're running low. But I think it's time to find some food, wait for the sun to set, and then we'll start seeing some Christmas lights. Pretty different. Like a theme park in the Smoky Mountains. I like it. I think it's time to have dinner. How about Aunt Granny's restaurant, all you can eat? Yeah. All right, plate one. Like home cooking. Plate two.
Turkey, chicken, taters.
Tater haters here. All right, the plates are starting to look the same.
Baked chicken, potatoes. Love that turkey.
Hey, Dolly's childhood home. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool they preserved all this. Here's her bedroom. Yeah. I feel like this video is going to be a little weird because I couldn't even bring my cell phone onto the car ride over there to go up. There's cannot film anything in Dollywood. It's very weird. But I already picked out my magnet. It's like a wrench, lightning rod, Dollywood. I don't have anything like that, so that's a very quirky, very unique little magnet there. Really happy with that. The sun has set, just a matter of time before we start seeing lots of Christmas lights here. All right, time for a snack. Two of my favorite Christmas treats, gingerbread cookie and a nice hot chocolate. Oh, it's good. That is delicious. Let's go find a show. We can go up to Glacier Ridge, even though it's not quite dark. Let's go find a show. I love this park. Got a little nativity scene here at Dollywood. You mean Christmas isn't just about Christmas lights, presents, and Santa? Yeah. I like what they've done with the park. A little different. There are even some bald eagles here at Dollywood up here. I'm going to try to zoom in. We'll take a look. See them up there? Right there. That's as close as I can get to them. All right, we got the northern raven in here. We got a red-shouldered hawk. All right, Nair, you gonna fly? A Harris hawk. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Desert eagle owl. African pied crow. Harris hawk. Black vulture. And a red-tailed hawk. Hello? Oh, hey dude. Hiding? No hiding. Merry Christmas. And a turkey vulture. Oh, sorry. Continue on. Does he know they're serving turkey down at the restaurant?
Oh, Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be. And the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me, right?
Hey, Eric, guess what?
What?
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Yeah.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Ooh, lots and lots of fun. Cold southern Christmas going on. Got out of the bird show and ran into some other YouTubers that I know. Maybe you know them, but Yankee in the South, hey, Will and Dawn.
Wow.
You guys have a channel in
Yes,
about these parts,
and
right?
that's what we do. Nothing but the Smoky Mountains and what have you. We do some travel a little bit outside, but yeah.
Right on.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to run into you guys. Yes. I've been following them on YouTube. They've seen you with Jacob a few times.
We've been following you for at least 4 or 5 years, so this is a real treat, you know.
Small world, then. So yeah, we hang out here a little bit and see what we can find as it gets dark.
Yeah,
Christmas
yeah.
lights, cool. Got a little cold, so I did layer up. I've got thermal on here and my hoodie, and I got them light these up later. But during the Jada and Jimmy show up there, they told us something about, well, the restaurant, Aunt Granny's. That's what Dolly was called growing up because she didn't have any kids of her own. And so they told us that she would adopt all of her sister's kids. And she was like an aunt and a granny, getting them all sugared up and everything. So that's the story, I guess, behind the restaurant that I didn't know earlier. Really good food in there. And we're starting to see Christmas lights. Come on, get dark.
I went to it's a land. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Way up in the sky, little lamb. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Star, a star, dancing in the night with his tail as big as a kite. With his tail as big as a kite. Little lamb to the shepherd boy. Hey, shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear? Do you hear what I hear? Singing through the sky, shepherd boy. And do you hear what I hear? Do you hear what I hear? A song, high above the tree with a voice as big as the sea. With a voice as big as the sea. To the mighty king. Do you know what I know? Do you know what I know? In your palace warm, mighty king. And do you know what I know? Do you know what I know? The storm, the child, shivers in the cold. Let us bring in silver and gold. Let us bring in silver and gold. Said the king to his people everywhere. Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. Great peace, people everywhere. Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. The child, sleeping in the night. He will bring us goodness and life. He will bring us goodness and life. Merry Christmas, everybody, from the Wild Roots.
Well, the park is about to close. I still got to walk and then get on the trolley and then go back and see Jax. So Jax and I will talk to you one more time. All right, back to the RV. Nice, warm, toasty, and comfortable in here. Gonna have another glass of hot chocolate. I got the Yule log channel on. This is channel 303 on Dish Network. I know Christmas is almost over, but if you're a Dish customer, tune into channel 303 if you get that one. It's nice. I wasn't even greeted by Jax when I came in. Like, I don't even know where he's at. Rude!
What's this big ball of cat fluff? What is this? Why am I not surprised to see you sleeping, you big buster? Are you staying warm today? Alright, man. You good? Yeah, but why you got the flash on, man? I don't know. Sorry, it was kind of dark. So Merry Christmas, everybody. We'll see you from Gatlinburg next. You're right. I'm going back to sleep, man.